sunny beach of the day. We are at the Sol Nessebar Mare, which is a hotel. It's about 15 minutes away from here. So basically we thought we'd take a look at this place because it's only like, what, 15 minutes in a taxi, 10 minutes. They do a taxi service and it's like, I think it cost us 30 lev, so 30 lev one way. And they give you like a number to call. So when you want to go back, you can call the guy up. It's a Bulgarian number. And they'll come and pick you up within 15 minutes, the guy said. So there's also buses available. I think I saw, they have timetables in reception, don't they? Yeah. So you can get like a bus time. There's lots of buses, I think. So if you haven't got like prams and stuff and other things to carry around with you, then you're probably better off just jumping on the bus, which I believe is 2 lev for like one direction, probably per person. So that's pretty good value. So yeah, we just thought we'd come out for the day and check the place out. Looks like a kind of party town to me. There's kind of cool bars and all sorts of stuff. It's a bar called Central. I think that used to be called Brexit, but like with a lot of other Brexit stuff, it's it went bad, like all Brexit things. But anyway, here we go. So there we go. I guess that guy must have been a Brexit supporter. Maybe he got a lot of backlash. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so basically we are basically we're just walking down through the town, and there's some cool stuff like live music and all sorts of things really. And yeah, and it's all right, you know. I don't know how kid friendly it is as such, but it should be pretty good. Yeah, there's beaches and stuff in there as well. So yeah, there's lots of bars, restaurants, and you get all the like kind of normal stuff as well, like Burger King and what have we got? Pizzeria. I saw a McDonald's. Yeah, I saw a McDonald's, and I've seen a KFC sign as well. So what? Doncaster. You can even watch Doncaster play. Doncaster with a K. Yes, that's an interesting spelling. But yeah, for those of you who don't know, we have our main house, if you like, is in Doncaster, so so it's interesting to us. But yeah, so yeah, it's pretty good. Got like lots of bars. There's just loads of bars and pubs and little supermarkets and clothes shops and, you know, places you can get sunglasses, sun cream, all sorts really. Pretty cool place. When we came here once, didn't we? Like years ago. And it was like during the pandemic, like the summer of the pandemic, so it was like really quiet, so it was like really sort of, yeah, nice for like, you know, if you just lots of space and stuff. It looks a lot busier today, and it's quite early in the morning. We're talking like, I know, what time is it now, like 10 something, like 10:30. So yeah, so you've got like cool sort of like seaside shop type places where you can get like snorkels and sunglasses. Yeah, it all looks pretty cool actually. And foods and drinks, and there's a big beach, and we might walk up to the beach actually. There's a beach right here, isn't there? So let's have a look. So yes, it's pretty cool. We've always been tempted to sort of get like a hotel closer to like the town or something, because we never really stayed in the town. And we've always stayed in like kind of the Aqua Parks and that sort of thing. So there's beach bars as well. It's really cool. And things like fairground rides. There's quite a lot going on here. This is like got everything you can think of basically. You know, I think the only thing they haven't really got probably is like a big pier or something. Although this looks like it is like a little bridge out maybe. I don't know. Here, yes. So yeah, you got sun lounges, all sorts really here. So it's pretty good. Yeah, big areas. Looks like there's big areas of the beach that aren't covered with sun chairs though, so you can actually get out on the beach. I'm guessing you have to pay for these sun lounges. I doubt they'd be free. I can't see like a price about, but guessing you have to pay for them. almost certainly you'll have to. But yeah, it's quite cool looking out over the sea here, over the coast. It's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, so yeah, pretty good, I'd say. Probably the wind noise is cutting into the sound a bit, but yeah, it's like proper beach. Really good beach area, lots of people out on it. Yeah. The wind's picked up a little today. We've had kind of like heat wave conditions for the last sort of week or so, and it's a little bit cloudy today, although it looks like the cloud is kind of clearing away. So I think it's meant to be hot and sunny today, so I think that cloud is going to disappear. But yeah, pretty good. Rach and Emily and Chloe catching me up. Yeah, but a nice beach, nice area. But yeah, it's alright, isn't it? There we go. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I just thought I'd come out and see the beach bit. I expect the sound is probably going to hell, but yeah, we thought we'd just come out and take a look at this bit before we kind of go and look down the shops, because there's loads of shops and stuff like that to look at. Yeah, you've got a big Ferris wheel up there, which I don't think was there when we last came. Pretty sure there wasn't a Ferris wheel up there, was there? No, it's like a bit like a London Eye style Ferris wheel up there in the distance. Probably can't pick it out with the camera. But yeah, we're going to take a look around the town and probably get something to eat in a bit, and yeah, have a day out basically. Right. Is it good? You like it? Emily, look. Look at the fish. What do you think? What do you think of it? What do you think of what's happening? No, Emily. What do you think? You can't do it, Mummy's doing it. Oh look, it's a big one there, look. He's been eating the most feet. Not as many on this one.
I finished.
No, it takes 20 minutes, I think.
Finish!
No, you gotta wait 20 minutes. Got loads of bites from all the mosquitoes. Emily, you've got to wait. You've got to wait for Mummy to finish. No, don't be... Emily, Mummy's having her feet eaten. You have to be patient. We know what we told you about being patient. Chloe's asleep. Chill, which is a bar that looks really cool. It's like got a kind of weird roof with like, it looks like Hawaiian or Caribbean or something, and they've got like palm trees. I don't think the palm trees are real. I'm sure we've seen these sort of palm trees before in Varna, and I think they were fake there because obviously it gets quite cold in the winter here, so they would die I think over the winter time. But it's a cool bar. Got some like cool sort of seats, and they've got bean bags over there where those girls are sat. The waitress is over there, and it's pretty good. Emily's playing in the sand. Lawley's just watching. And yes, like a really cool, chilled bar, isn't it? Chloe certainly thinks so. She's chilled out. But yeah, we just came off, we were outside for quite a bit walking, and it was getting quite hot out there. It's very sunny, so basically it's very hot today, although there's a nice breeze, so pretty good. But yeah, so Rachel's playing around with her jelly cats. It's Olives, in case you're wondering. Yeah, so she's doing that for her TikTok. And Emily's doing her sand. She's enjoying herself. And everybody's just having a nice day at the beach. Loads of sun loungers here. It's a paid zone, and I think the sun loungers are 9 lev. It seems to be quite a standard thing. Like, I've seen the same posters everywhere. They're all the same like design, so maybe it's like something the city does and it's not, or it's a like kind of enforced price of 9 lev. So yeah, basically 9 lev for a sun lounger. I'm guessing it's per sun lounger, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, we're having a nice time, and music in the background's probably going to get the video delisted. But yeah, got some drinks, just having a cool time basically. Someone's out there parasailing, I think. It's a really cool chair, like they've got a swing. Yeah, like a swing and bean bags. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, really cool bar. Lawley's just chilling. He's enjoying himself. Yeah, so really good. We're going to have beer and, well, maybe a beer or two, maybe a cocktail. We're not sure. They do happy hour 2 for 1 on cocktails. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, before the music gets us, probably better end it there. KFC again, mainly because we never get a chance to go to these places in Bulgaria, so because they're few and far between. It's very humid here, really humid, so I'm glad to be out of the sun into like an air-conditioned place, because it was like really hot out there, wasn't it? We went to a cool bar called Chill, but it was very humid and very hot on the beach, so we decided to come into a KFC and get some tea, and I think there were ones that were outside as well, but we decided it would be nice to come into an air-conditioned place. Chloe's pretty excited about it. Yeah, Emily's eating the strips menu. Didn't seem to be any kids menus here. They were a bit sneaky and didn't have any kids menus available. So we had to get like kind of a full adults meal. Oh, she's got strips and chips, and we've got Zinger Towers, which they don't seem to be available in other KFC restaurants in the rest of Bulgaria. So I'm guessing this is catering towards sort of like UK or Western people, but it's definitely a bit different from the ones that we've seen in the rest of, like, say, Varna, or even in Burgas when we've been there, and also in Bucharest. So they're quite different actually, but it's fine. It's all looks good. We've got some mayonnaise dips with it, which we didn't have to pay for, and we're going to basically have this and then cool off and then see what we're going to do for the rest of the day before we have to get the taxi back to the hotel. So yeah, we're going to crack on and eat this, but it looks pretty good. Chloe's looking forward to it. She's got a chip, I think. And yeah, Zinger Tower, I'm looking forward to see what a Zinger Tower here is like. So I quite like those in the UK. Yeah,